Well, the price of health insurance. A new nationwide study shows that premiums have gone up 80% in the last decade. We all know that we've been dealing with high premiums, copays, and deductibles, but what exactly is being done about it? Today is Tuesday, August 20th. The healthcare exchanges that we've been talking about, online marketplaces where you can go to search for and buy an insurance plan that fits your needs, they go live on October 1st of this year, and that means we have 42 days now until that takes effect. But, well, those changes actually help to lower premiums for everybody. Jennifer Lukey is live in our Albany newsroom now with more on that side of the story. Jen?
Well, Dory, we've sat in on them together, those open enrollment meetings that happen every year around this time, where you learn just how much money will be taken out of your paycheck every week to cover the cost of insurance. Well, if you feel like that number has been increasing at a rapid rate, you're right.
The annual premium for employee-sponsored family health care coverage now stands at $16,351. On average, the worker pays about $4,565 of that. That's according to a new survey of thousands of small and large employers. While the increase is only about 4% higher than last year, it's 80% higher than what we paid just 10 years ago.
I think we've all realized over the years we're paying more for our health insurance. We're paying higher deductibles. We're paying higher co-pays. We're paying co-insurance in some cases. But 80% in one decade is a huge amount of money for a lot of middle-class working families. What goes into that number, and why has there never been a year where it's gone down?
There have been a few years where it's been close to stagnant, not recently, but I think that most of its claims.
Unhealthy people taxing the system, driving up the cost of insurance for everyone. In fact, 78% of all covered workers also have a deductible to worry about that they have to reach before their coverage even kicks in.
As we come up with better ways to make us healthier and live longer, those costs escalate.
The intention of the Affordable Care Act was to help alleviate pressure on the whole system, add everyone to the risk pool to help stabilize rates. Whether that happens remains to be seen, but for the next few years, regardless of where you buy your insurance, you likely won't see much savings.
A consumer will probably see more benefits on the exchange than they did in years past. I'm not so sure they're going to see lower costs.
What do you see insurance companies doing to try and combat such an increase, if anything?
Oh, I think the insurance companies, everyone involved, I think, tackles it. It's their #1 priority.
Now, a few examples of that he gave me were those wellness screenings and programs that many insurers have now implemented. If you provide information showing that you've done preventative screenings, if you work out, participate in wellness programs, stop smoking, you can get a discount on your premiums. Chances are it's not going to save you hundreds of dollars, but every little bit does count. Now, the hope is that long term, these programs will make more people healthier and lower rates in general for everyone. But of course, that remains to be seen. Live in the Albany newsroom tonight, Jennifer Lukey, CBS 6 News.